This is a quick video to show how to do the software updates on the iTIG 4. This will apply to all iTIG 4 models, A, B, C, and D. You will need a USB flash drive and obviously the software files from Electrom. After receiving the link from Electrom, you download and save the zip folder containing the software to the desktop on your computer. Right-click it, extract all. This is how you unzip the folder. It will then save it to the same location as you had the zip folder. So that's what it will look like. You can now open this, which contains the iTIG2-software folder. This is the one we want to move onto a USB flash drive. So plug in a USB flash drive in your PC. Then open that folder and paste it into the top level of that USB flash drive. Make sure it's not inside any other different folders. And then extract the flash drive using the eject function in Windows. All right. Onto the iTIG. So after you've gotten the software files on through the flash drive, power on the instrument, insert the USB flash drive in the tester. You need to wait a few seconds before Windows recognizes it. And we say start, sync files to flash drive. This tester will now look and tell you as the operator that there's new software found on the flash drive. There are instructions on the screen to also let you know what to expect and what to do. When we have new firmware, we have to do a power cycle holding in the red button. So you click OK. It will now take you through the steps to update the software. We eject the flash drive and then power off the instrument using the main power switch. Give it a few seconds and now press and hold the red button all the way in and then turn the power back on. Continue to hold that red button until you see the screen come up. And then you can release it. So this is how we tell the software that it has new firmware and it needs to load that firmware on the circuit boards. So when the iTIG software launches here, when Windows is ready, we go ahead and watch the update bars go through, so it will let you know which boards are being updated with what firmware. This may take a few minutes. After the firmware has been loaded, we are now ready to continue using the instrument the normal way. So you click start and you now have the latest software.